All right, today we're gonna bring a silent pump. Now they did give you a couple of accessories here. They give you the stones. We're just setting it up right now. We're cutting the actual line because they give you plenty of line for your actual fish tank. Some outtakes for so water won't penetrate back. All right, they just push out air out and nothing comes back. They give suction cups and another splitter if you want to split one of the lines, because you have two areas that you're gonna have to be pumping air. And for, right now we do have a fish tank there, but the pump's not strong enough. It's a little louder. We're gonna place this in place. It comes with a power adapter. They do give you instructions, all right? And there's a minus and plus feature on the top of it, all right? If you guys can see it. This is kind of like it's silicone. It's silky. It's waterproof, but not for internal water, right? It's not. It's not submergible, so don't put it anywhere near the water. It's just a pump, so we're gonna put it to use and see how loud it gets. All right, right now we're testing out how loud it gets. We're gonna go lower and then we're gonna go high. You guys can hear it. This is how much air is coming out right now. So we're testing it out. And it's not that loud, so we're gonna put it to use and see how it works. All right, we're gonna set them up because right now we have these pumps. We're gonna turn them off. They're too loud. We're gonna replace them. But right now we're just gonna test it out so you guys can see how strong these two pumps are compared. That's actually two pumps, all right? And we're actually just gonna throw one pump that does two air outtakes, and here we are. So we're gonna separate them. We're gonna put the other one there and one over there. And if you guys can see how strong they are, they're pushing a lot of air out. And actually these are the ones, the rocks, you could put them underneath the other rocks. You don't have to disturb everything. And they give you more oxygen. Compared to two pumps, separate pumps up there in the back.
So you have more and more pumps and the vanes in the back?
Yeah, more pumps in the back. One pump doing the work of two. So, not bad. Easy to set up, easy to cut, easy to use. Hope you guys enjoy the video.